Hello students, in this section we are going to discuss about network topology. Okay, so computer networks may be classified according to the network topology upon which network is based, such as bus network, star network topology, ring network topology, tree or hierarchical network topology, etc. So what is a network topology? That we are going to see in this section. Okay. So a network topology is the arrangement of network in which comprises of nodes and connecting lines via sender and receiver is referred as network topology. The physical arrangement of a network and its containing devices, that is termed as network topology. How or in which shape? Okay, we can simply say in which shape this devices in a network is arranged or connected with a network. That is basically network topology, the arrangement of a network which comprises of nodes and the sender or receiver is referred as network topology. Okay, so mainly there is 4 type of topologies are there: bus topology, star topology, tree topology and ring topology. We are going to see each one in detail. Okay, so the first one we are going to see is bus topology. Okay, so a bus topology is a type of topology or network arrangement in which every computer and network device in a network is connected to a single cable, and this cable is known as the backbone cable. Okay, so in this topology there is no bidirectional feature. That means data cannot be having the flow in both directions. Only single directional flow is there. Okay, so the type of network topology in which all the nodes of the network are connected to a common transmission medium which has exactly 2 endpoints. Okay, so which has exactly 2 endpoints, which is starting point and end point. All data that is transmitted between nodes in the network is transmitted over this common transmission medium and able to be received by all the nodes. Okay, so this transmission medium can either be a coaxial cable or twisted pair cable, etc. Okay, then some advantage is that cost of the cable is less. Okay, so there is less amount of cable is required, so the cost is less and it is used to build smaller network. And main disadvantage is that if the backbone cable fails, then all the network will be failed. So that is the bus topology. Okay, so next one we are going to see is star topology. And before that, this is a simple example figure of bus topology. So you can see that a simple backbone cable is there, then each and every device is connected to that particular backbone cable. If this particular cable or backbone cable fails, then all the network will be failed. Okay, next, the star topology. Okay, all the devices are connected to a single central node. Then this single central node will be the center of this network, and each the nodes connected to that particular central hub is a spoke, as works as the spoke of the star topology. So as you know that a star has different spokes are there, so each device connected to that particular central hub is termed as the spoke. Okay, and it is easy to set up and each device require only one port. Okay, so each device require only one port. That is the main advantage of this network. Okay, the type of network topology in which each of the nodes of the network is connected to the central node with a point-to-point link, that is in a hub and a spoke function. Okay, hub means the central node and then spoke means each and every node. Okay, then all the data that is transmitted between nodes in the network is transmitted to this central node, which is usually some type of device that then retransmits the data to some or all of the devices in the network. And then cost of the cable used in here will be more than the bus topology. And then same as the bus topology, if the central node fails, all the network will fail. That is the main disadvantage of star topology. Okay, so let's see the picture of star topology. So here you can see that a central hub is there, and then the devices that or nodes that are connected to that hub is arranged as the spoke of that particular star topology. Okay, so the next topology we are going to see is tree topology or hierarchical topology. Okay, So it's a variation of star topology or it's a variation of bus topology. Both ways we can say that it's a variation of bus or star topology. Okay, so it allows more devices to be attached to a single central hub. Okay, then we have already learned about this decision trees like. So a root is there, then there is branches are there. From central node, branches are expecting to next level. Okay, so there is root and branches are there. So by using tree topology, it allows more devices to be attached to a single central hub. That is the main feature of tree topology. And we can easily extend the network whenever required. Okay, if you want to add a new device to the network, it is very easy to extend the network. Unlike bus topology or star topology, it is very easy to extend the network. That is the main feature of tree topology. And then disadvantages are dependency on the root node and lot of cabling required. Okay, dependency of root node means that it is also depend on the root node or central node. If it fails, if the root device fails, then the entire system will fail. So that is the dependency on root node. And then for tree topology, lot of cabling is required. So there will be a lot of cabling means automatically there will be a large amount of money required to facilitate this type of topology. And finally, we are going to see the last one, ring topology. Before that, we can see the structure of tree topology. You can see that a backbone cable is there, then a hub is there, then again branches are created from the particular backbone cable. This particular architecture shows the variation from the bus topology, and then there is also variation from the star topology also. Okay, so a backbone cable is there, devices are attached to each node, and then single device attached in the first session. Then there in the second session you can see that multiple hubs are used, and then again separate branches are created. Okay, so finally the ring topology. Okay, so the ring topology is the type of network topology in which each of the nodes of the network is connected to two other neighbor nodes. Okay, to the left and the right. Okay, and with the first and last nodes being connected to each other, forming a ring. Okay, so that means from starting to end it follows as a or flows as a circle. Okay, all the data that is transmitted between the nodes in a network travels from one node to the next node in a circular manner, and the data generally flows in a single direction only. Okay, so nodes are connected in a circular way, and its architecture is very simple and easy to maintain. And then unlike other topologies, less cabling is required. And then main problem is that if any neighboring node fails, entire networks will stop functioning. Why is that? Since the network is connected with the two adjacent nodes in a sequential manner, and finally reaching the end. Okay, so whenever we want to transmit data, it is transmitted from first node to second node, then third, fourth, etc. It transmits through each and every neighboring nodes. Okay, if one of the device fails, that part is abruptly terminated. So if any of the neighboring node fails, the entire network will stop functioning. That is ring topology. Okay, let's see the structure of ring topology here. Okay, so here you can see that the ring topology. Okay, flow of message is in the circular manner. If one of the device fails, then the data or message will not reach at the correct point. So that is ring topology. Okay, so these are the different topologies we have to be learned in this computer network section. There are many other topologies are there, so we are limiting to this 4 type of topologies. Okay, so thanks for watching. We will see with another topic in the next class. Thank you.